In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save PDFs to Google Drive directly from Chrome. This process is straightforward and efficient, allowing you to easily organize your documents in the cloud without any hassle. So, let's dive in. First, you'll want to open your web browser. You're likely using Chrome already if you're following along with this tutorial, so let's make sure we've got it open and ready to go. Once you have Chrome open, you'll need to head over to the Chrome Web Store. You can do this by simply typing Chrome Web Store into your search engine and clicking on the appropriate link. Now that you're in the Chrome Web Store, you're going to use the search bar. In the search bar, type Save to Drive. This will bring up a list of extensions related to Google Drive. What you're looking for is the official Save to Drive extension. This is created by Google themselves, and you can usually recognize it by the small blue icon with an arrow pointing up toward a stylized Drive logo. Once you've found it, go ahead and click on the Add to Chrome button. The browser will ask you to confirm this, and when it does, just click Add Extension. In a moment or two, you'll see that the extension has been added to your browser's toolbar, and you should see the small blue icon we talked about earlier. With the extension now installed, let's try saving a PDF. You have a few options here. You can navigate to a web page that contains a PDF link, or if you have a PDF file saved on your computer, simply open it in Chrome. Chrome will open and display it like a regular web page. Now, it's time to use the extension. Click on the Save to Drive icon located in your browser's toolbar. When you do this, a small pop-up will appear. Don't worry if it looks a bit busy, we're here to guide you through it. Here, you will be asked to select the Google account where you'd like to save your PDF. If you have multiple Google accounts, make sure to select the one you prefer. This is a critical step to ensure your PDFs land in the correct drive. Once you've selected the account, click the Save button. The extension will take care of the work for you, uploading the PDF directly to your designated Google Drive account. It should take only a moment, and once it's finished, you can head over to your drive to confirm the file is there. And there you have it. You've successfully saved a PDF to Google Drive using Chrome. This method keeps your documents easily accessible and secure in the cloud, ready for whenever and wherever you need them. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.